Hello, beautiful souls. Julia here from Day Spiritual Bombs. Today is special. This isn't just our end-of-year energy cleanse, but the culmination of our holistic holiday healing series. All season, we've protected our peace, honored grief, found calm, embraced sacred giving, and now it's time to deliberately release what no longer serves and summon fresh energy for the new year. I've grown alongside you, so let's reflect and transform together. Let's revisit our journey, setting boundaries for holiday peace, honoring grief with intention, cultivating calm despite chaos, creating sacred gifts from spirit. When I practiced these rituals, I noticed real shifts, stronger boundaries, deeper peace after loss, moments of gratitude, and more purposeful giving. You're invited to celebrate your journey too.
I'll walk you through a few journaling prompts. Join me and even pause the video if you need time to write. What challenged me this year and how did I overcome it? Model your own answer and feelings. What do I need to forgive, myself or others? Share a brief story for authenticity. What am I grateful for right now? Pause to honor your gratitude. Which parts of my life or habits do I want to let go? What title would I give this year's chapter in my story? What energy, feelings, or beliefs am I consciously releasing today? Let yourself feel the emotions, pride, relief, even sadness. This is sacred processing and self-honoring.
Ready to embody that intention? Use the same cleanse ritual we've already done together, bath, shower, or foot soak, and this time, let it carry a new assignment. Set your space the way you love it, soft music, a candle, lights low, and a room that feels like it's just for you. Prepare your water with our energy cleanse salt blend like before, but as you stir, quietly name what you are done carrying. Instead of walking through every step again, focus on the feeling. As you soak or rinse, imagine that old energy loosening, sliding off your body and going right down the drain. Let this affirmation hold the moment. I release what is complete. I choose peace, protection, and renewal in my mind, body, and spirit. Now bring in smudging for extra clearing. Light your preferred herb bundle, sage, rosemary, or cedar. Gently waft smoke around your body and space, focusing on corners and areas that feel heavy. Repeat, I clear this space of old energy, only love and light remain. As I smudge my space, I reflect on all we've learned, letting go of old energy and inviting new. If this ritual helped you release and reset, our blends, sprays, journals, and affirmation cards are designed for deeper energetic work. I use these daily and during special occasions. Find what fits your practice. Everything is linked in the description. Take a moment to journal anything that surfaced after your ritual. Breathe in your lightness and honor all you've endured this year. Share your journey below, what you're releasing, your new intentions, and the ritual that helped you most. Subscribe and check out the other episodes in this series and prepare for a truly transformative new year. Thank you for joining this healing season. Your growth inspires mine.